Dhruvesh Yadav, and today we are discussing about the grade 5 subject EVS and unit number 9, that is Up You Go. So students, as we discussed in our live session and live lecture as well, so here we are taking a small snapshot, or we can small discussion about the chapter and all the points of the chapter, that is mountaineering camp. First one, this is the this incident or this chapter is taken from a diary of a Bachendri Pal, which she has wrote while she was doing the climbing. Now, in a mountaineering camp, this is the date of 2nd February 1984. So, Bachendri Pal just shared the memory, shared the experience which she has experienced when she was doing the mountaineering. Okay, so this is about the mountaineering camp. This is the first day of a mountaineering over there. Brigadier Gyan Singh was the director of the mountaineering camp. That kind of information is given, and how was the first day, what are the how's the experience of a mountains, what it was look around, and the members of a team, how many teams were there, they are bifurcated into the teams, and some of become a team captain, team leader was also there. So such kind of a beautiful information is given in the mountaineering camp. Make sure that Major Brigadier Gyan Singh was the director of that mountaineering camp. Now, in a second one, that is the at the end of the first day when they are in a mountaineering camp. So, Bachendri Pal got hurt while she was climbing the mountain. So, she having some kind of a pain in the leg. But when it's come over to crossing the river, so in the morning when she woke up on a second day, then second day is 5th February. So as the mountaineering mountaineering camp is about to start, so that means there's some rest point, and then next day they are supposed to move on. So there is an instance of a 5th of February. Over there, when she woke up, she felt some pain in the leg. So she went to the Brigadier Gyan Singh. So she was just informing that I am not able to, I can't climb today, I won't be able to move ahead today as my legs is paining. And somehow Brigadier Singh said, no, this is not, this will not going to be applicable. You have to do this and take your just breakfast, otherwise you need to walk, or you need to climb the mountain with empty stomachs. Brigadier Gyan Singh didn't listen to the Bachendri Pal, and when time it's come to, and he gave a responsibilities to be a team leader. Now, as we have already discussed in a live session, that you have already mentioned that some of our responsibilities also of a mountaineering camp. Okay, so that is also we have discussed, and we have written all the responsibility which is also given in the book as well. Now, in the when she was about to crossing the river, so she was hiding. She was standing at the last, though she was a team leader, though she was hiding. So indirectly, Brigadier Gyan Singh just called her that come here. You will be the first person who will cross the river. So while to cross the river, they have tied up one big rope over the river, and by hanging over there, all the students need to just cross the river. So Bachendri Pal was get the first in a sequence, so he was very much like shivering, like whether she will be able to do it or not. She was not feeling confident. So, but after completing this task, like crossing the river, she was like feeling, oh, that was very much easy. I can do that. Now I can do anything. She got the confidence level. Now again, the rock climbing on the 10th of February, the very next day. So rock climbing was happening, and on that time the Bachendripal was at the first. He was standing. She was standing first. That no, I will do it first, and I will make sure that each and every team member of mine reach at the at stand at with safety. Okay, yes, they are doing the mounting, but they are supposed to following the lots of safeties as well. Okay, so this is about the rock climbing. Rock climbing means it's almost about like a standing. You need to just climb like a side by the angle of in between of a rock, and you will be approximately or equal to the 90-degree that you need to climb the rocks. Now going ahead, a funny incident happened. Okay, what is that funny incident that with her the Konomi was there? Okay, her friend was there. So Konomi knows the only Konomi language. Okay, that the language which is not everyone cannot understand, like Hindi or English. Major people can understand, but the Konomi was not was speaking a different language. So what happened on a funny incident that when they about to taking a rest, about to ending a day, they don't have anything to for a food. Okay, so what happened that they reached to some other farmer's farm. They were collecting something, but somehow the farmer caught them. One lady was there. She was telling something in her own language. Konomi was explaining the same thing in her own language. Both are not understanding to each other. And the thing is happened that no one is understanding each other, but somehow the things is got sorted out. Bachendripal just said, I'm sorry to her that they will not take any food from their farm. And somehow such kind of fun incidents happen. So such kind of enjoyment and joy should also be there. Now coming to a camp in the snow. So camp in the snow is happened on 18th February. So on 18th of February, they reached to the at the level where the on ahead of a mountain there was a totally snow. Okay, and when they are supposed to take a rest, there should be some setup. The camp should be also there. So fire camp was also there. So and also they having a shades. With that, the sleeping bag was there. So now, what is a sleeping bag? Sleeping bag is a mechanism which is specially made up for the mountaineering camp. That is, when a person is climbing the mountain, there will be some lots of cold and all these things will be happen. So for particular that reason, they have made a one sleeping bag where you need to just sleep inside and you need to just close the chain. Okay, so the uniqueness or we can say best quality of that sleeping bag is when you will not feel cold inside of the sleeping bag. That was the thing. So in a snow when they are about to sleeping, the again Bachendripal was very much like will I get us a good sleep? There will be lots of food will be there. So she was shivering even. So after getting to the sleeping bag, she has a very good sleeping. And in the morning when she came out, there was a snow was there. Snow raining was happening. So she was very much happy. And she, due to the snow and this thing happens, so they were fighting with they are making some kind of balls of snow and they are hitting to each other. And they have made some pandas as well for the memory. Okay, so this was the and last day of at the camp. So what they have done in the last day at the camp? So on a last day they have just fired. They just fired the camp. And they were doing they are just interacting with each other. They are sharing the experience. They are playing antakshari as well. And also the best thing what was the revolution or what are the changes came into the Bachendri Pal during this from starting to end of the camp. That is, at the starting level, Bachendri Pal was less confident. She was not feeling confident that she can do anything. But by end of the camp, she was very much confident. And also, Brigadier Gyan Singh just gave the responsibility. He observed to her as well. At end of the camp, he just gave a recognition that yes, you have done the best leadership quality, you are having a best leadership quality, and you have performed your responsibility very well. So see, such kind of incidents, such kind of experience are also important to boost up your confidence as well. So this is all about the confidence and how you can grow. What thing you supposed to do? You should follow your patience. Okay, so this is all about the chapter number 9, that is up you go. This is the totally incidents of a diary. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching the video. All the very best.